Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you 3 different ways to add your Amazon affiliate link to your Wix website. First, make sure you're logged into your Wix account. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to the My Sites page. From there, select the site you want to edit by clicking on Design Site. This will open the Wix website editor. Now that you're in the Wix website editor, you can start adding your Amazon affiliate links. To do this, you need an account with the Amazon Associates or Amazon Affiliate Program. If you don't already have an account, search for Amazon Associate on Google. Click the first link to go to the Amazon Associates page. Here, you can sign up for the program, which allows you to recommend products and earn commissions. To sign up, click on the Sign Up button on the Amazon Associates page. You'll need to provide some information, including your account details, such as your name and address, details about your website, and additional personal information to complete your profile. Once your account is set up, you'll gain access to the Amazon Associates backend. This is where you can track your earnings and access tools for promoting products. To start promoting products, go to Amazon's main website. Once logged into your Amazon Associates account, you'll notice a site stripe banner at the top of the Amazon page. This banner allows you to create affiliate links, including text links. For example, if you search for a product like a dashcam, you can select any product you want to promote. Click on the product to open its details page. Then, click on the Get Link option in the site stripe banner to generate a short or full affiliate link. Copy this link. Go back to the Wix website editor. To insert the affiliate link as a text link, click on Add Elements, then select Text. Add a paragraph text box to your page. Adjust it as you want. Click on Edit Text. Type out your desired text, highlight the portion of text where you want to include the link, and click on the Link tool. Choose Web Address and paste in your Amazon affiliate link. Click Done. The text will now be hyperlinked. When visitors click on this text, they will be redirected to the Amazon product page. Once you've added the affiliate links, preview your website to confirm that the links are functioning as expected. You should see clickable links. It will display the product's image and price. When visitors click on these links, they will be redirected to the Amazon product page. If they make a purchase, you'll earn a commission through the Amazon Associates program. If you want to make money with affiliate marketing much faster than most people, click the link in the description to watch a free video explaining how it works. It's the fastest way for even complete beginners to start making a full-time income online. That's it. Thank you for watching.